Hey, what is going on, guys? James Bill here. Thank you so much for taking time out to visit my content here. Today, I'm going to be speaking about email marketing, guys. We all need email marketing, a provider or service inside of our business. This is the way that we capture emails and communicate with our prospects, guys. So, I want to give you a list here. Oh, and please be sure if this is your first time here, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I come out with some great content, guys. So, email marketing services. There are several email marketing provider or services out there, guys. Some of the ones that I'm familiar with is like MailChimp, SendLane, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, BillDraw, and Aweber. And I'm going to give you my take on the ones that I've dealt with before in the past. And, this may help you out. But MailChimp, understand they're not very make money online friendly. So if you're in a biz op trying to make money online, they're not very friendly to that. Just to note. And SendLane, I've worked with SendLane before in one of my companies, and they were a bit too difficult for me. So I didn't really care for the SendLane. GetResponse, I had very little interaction with GetResponse, so I can't really say much about them. ActiveCampaign, I don't know a whole lot about ActiveCampaign, but I do know they're a little bit more expensive than all of the rest of the services and email service and providers. Now, BillDraw, I haven't dealt with BillDraw, can't comment on that. Aweber, now Aweber happens to be my go-to email provider, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and open up their page here. Here's Aweber. They happen to be my go-to provider because they're really easy to deal with. It's $30 a month, and it's just straight to the point. You got your drafts. I like to use the broadcast. Simply click on one button, and you can send one letter out to all the people on your list. And I also utilize the legacy follow-up series. And what this does, this lets you add, and I think I have loaded in here now 35 emails that's loaded up. And this is going to be sent out automatically. If someone go ahead and sign in on my list, they're going to be sent out 35 emails, one at a time, daily, guys. That's automated, and I don't have to do that. And like I was saying before, if you don't have a follow-up series, you're more than welcome to come here and hit broadcast, and you can do one letter, and you still can send that out. You just have to physically go ahead and do that. Sign up forms, subscribers, is let you manage your subscribers. And honestly, I just got back with Aweber a couple of weeks ago. But you can see I already have like 1,800 subscribers here. Lower this down a bit. And this is just your list options. You can go here and pretty much customize your settings to however you want your name to show, however you want their names to show. If it's just going to be their first name or no name at all, you get to put all that. And what I really like about Aweber overall, their support. their support. They have phone support that you can call, and they are readily available to help you guys. So this is my top-notch email marketing service provider. My number one recommendation goes to AWeber. So I hope this has been helpful to you. Again, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, where I'm going to be coming back with more content that's going to help you out in your online business, guys. And by the way, I'm going to leave a freebie down below for you guys, and it's going to help you to get more leads inside of your business. So just go ahead and click on that link below, and you're welcome to that. See you on the next video.